Hello trades. Today we are going to review the TPC Bot MT5 EA. The special thing about this EA is that it has a very low drawdown. There is an EA with a drawdown of less than 10% in these real accounts. We can show the account history. We have made this gold since 2025, July 30. You can see how it has made a profit. You can show the MyFX book of this EA. This TPC EA is a real MyFX book account. The drawdown has gone up to 5.04%. This EA has made a gain of plus 368.76%. As of March 2025, it has made a gain of 76.24%. In April, it has made a gain of 34.35%. May, 37.51%. June, 38.39%. If we look at the next MyFX book account, the drawdown there is 1.07%. Gain is about plus 70.20%. This is a real MyFX book account. Let's look at another MyFX book account. Accordingly, it is also a real account. Its drawdown is 3.49%. Gain is plus 150.67%. We have deposited $15,000. This EA is also an EA that we will make gold from 2024. You can get this EA. You can get it by visiting our website. As shown in the screen, you can get the EA by visiting the website. Also, you can join our Telegram channel and get relevant information. You can also watch the video and give your opinion. We also request you to subscribe to the channel. Happy trading. Good day to everyone.